These strawberry keto muffins are moist and soft. They have a vanilla bean glaze, and they're made with my favorite baking ingredient of all time, Keto Chow shake mix. Start with a cup of heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil, a half teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of sweetener, and 3 eggs. Whisk that up, and then we're gonna add 3 total servings of either strawberry cream or strawberry keto chow, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a half cup of water, 3 tablespoons coconut flour, and a tablespoon of melted cream cheese. Get that all mixed up, and then we're gonna fold in a half cup of fresh diced strawberries, spoon it into some silicone muffin liners, and bake it 350, 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Now we're going to take 3/4 cup powdered sweetener and keep adding tablespoons of a low-carb milk until you get a glazed consistency. Add a little vanilla bean powder, drizzle it over your muffins, and enjoy. They're so good.